Hi there. In this video, we will cover customer reminders. To check on the status of any correspondence sent out through TechMan, hover over the Settings tab and select Customer Reminders. Here we can see all email and text messages with their corresponding status of sent, created, or failed. We can preview what was sent out by clicking Preview on the right-hand side, and additionally hover over the attachments icon to see what type of attachments have been sent. The status details will display if the message has been successfully sent with the time details. Additionally, if it fails, it will list why it was not able to be sent, such as an invalid email address. General information displayed will be the date the reminder was created, the type of message it is, and the email address or mobile number. Customer reminders can be deleted whether or not they are in a created, sent, or failed status. Simply click the Delete option on the right-hand side of each line. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our Help Center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.